Meaning of endorphin.
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 Endorphin. Endorphins are naturally occurring chemicals in the brain that act as natural painkillers and mood elevators. When they are released, they interact with receptors in the brain to reduce pain and produce feelings of pleasure or euphoria. Endorphins are often associated with exercise, as physical activity can trigger their release. They are also released during other activities such as eating, sex, and childbirth. The effects of endorphins can vary from person to person, but generally include a sense of well-being, reduced stress, and decreased perception of pain.